Harshita of Standard 11 from Siddharth International School, Hisar. I joined Vishesh Academy of Commerce in the year 2021. Yeah, the pandemic year, when the whole world was upside down and the most concerned topic amongst youth was education. Similarly, for me, stepping into a professional field of commerce would be so difficult without a good mentor. But there came Vishesh Academy of Commerce to resolve all my issues. Professional faculty and practically implemented teaching helps a lot. Regular tests and doubt sessions help me a lot. They also facilitate us with recorded live sessions which help us to come across the topics which we have missed in case. After joining the academy, I realized that there are a lot more things to explore in the field of commerce. I prefer Vishesh Academy of Commerce because of its high quality education. Since I am a proud Visheshian now, I would advise all of you to consider Vishesh Academy of Commerce to excel in your academy.